Welcome to Home of Math. Today we will determine LCM. Here is A, B, C. In this video we are trying to solve. Let's start. Number A. Here is 5 1 by 4 and 1 by 8, two mixed fraction. First we have to convert to what? Improper fraction. So this one we can write. So what is the rule? Mixed fraction to improper fraction, denominator will be unchanged. It means 4. And numerator, integer times denominator. Integer is 5 times denominator. It means 5 times 4 is a 20. Then plus numerator. It means 5 times 4 is a 20. 20 plus 1 is a 21. This is the first fraction. Second, denominator will be unchanged. So here is 8. 8 times 1 is a 8. 8 plus 1 is a 9. First step done. First step. If mixed fraction. Okay. If has no mixed fraction, improper fraction or proper fraction, then doesn't matter. Second, LCM of fraction, a rule which is LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. So if you know the HCF of fraction, we already finished part 4, it means last video, where first we have to find out the HCF of numerator. So here is also same, we should write like in these fractions numerator are 21 and 9. So we have to find out LCM. So LCM 21 and 9, LCM is, here is 21 and 9. First we can divide by 3, so here is 7 and here is 3. Okay, so 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 times 7 is a 63. So this is 63. Second, again these fractions denominator are 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So we have to find out HCF. HCF equal what? 4 and 8. 4 means 1 times 2 times 2 and 8 means 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. So which is the common factor? 1 and 2 and 2. It means 4. So HCF is 4 and LCM is 63. Now, so fractions. So LCM of fraction equals to, the rule is, or we can make copy this one. We can make copy this one. This is here, so no need this one, right? No need this one. Main thing is this. Okay, so look, LCM of numerator we already get 63. 63 and HCF of denominator 4. This is our answer. So if anybody want to make it mixed fraction, so we can write 15 3 divide 4. How? Look, 63 if you want to divide by 4, so here is 1, so 4. 6 minus 4 is a 2, here is 3. 5 times 4 is a 20, so we can write 3. So 15, 3 by 4, and this is our answer. Okay, so number A done. Now number B. Number B, here is 3 fraction. One is 3, one is 24 by 38, and final one is 15 by 34. Look, all are proper fraction. Here is no mixed fraction or no improper fraction. So in this case, no need first step, which one we did last math, right? Now look, this one, everything will be unchanged, just we make up. Like in this fraction, numerators are, last one is 21 and 9, but here we should write 3, 24 and 15, and the answer should be what? Answer we should find out. Like 3, 24 and 15. 3, 24 and 15. So we can divide by 3. So here is 1, here is 8, and here is 5. So it's enough, because next part we cannot divide anything. So 5 times 8 is a 40. 40 times 3 is a what? 40 times 3, it means 120. So here is 120. Again, this fraction denominators are 38 and 34. 38 and 34. So if you find out the HCF, so 38 we can write 1 times 2 times 19, and 34 we can write 1 times 2 times 17, because 19 times 2 is 38 and 17 times 2 is a 34. So which one is the common? 1 and 2, right? So 1 times 2 is a 2. So our answer is, here is 2. And finally, LCM of fraction is LCM of numerator, which is 1, 2, 0, and HCF of denominator is 2. So divide 2, so we can divide, the answer is 60. Okay, very easy way we are trying to solve this one. So number A and number B done. Okay, now number C. Here is 3 fraction, 2, 2 by 5, 7, 1 by 5, and 2, 22 by 25. Everything is mixed fraction. So first we have to convert to improper fraction. So 2 by 5, it means 5 times 2 is a 10, 10 plus 2 is a 12. So 12 divide 5. Here is a 5 times 7 is a 35, 35 plus 1 is a 36, divide 5. And 25 times 2 is a 50, 50 plus 22 is a 72, divide 25. So our first work is, in these fractions, numerators are which is 12, 36 and 72. So we have to find out the LCM. So LCM of numerator. So 12, 36 and 72. So 2, so here is 6, here is 18, and here is 36. Again we can divide by 2, so here is 3, here is 9, and here is 18. So now we can divide by 3, so here is 1, here is 3, and here is 6. Again we can divide by 3, so here is 1, 1, and here is 2, right? So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a what? 4 times 12, 12 times 36, 36 times 2 is a 72. So our LCM is 72. LCM of what? LCM of numerator. And again this fraction denominators are what? 5, 5 and 25. Obviously the HCF of fraction, FCM of denominator, right? Denominator equals to 5. 5, 25, so common thing is 5. So LCM of fraction, LCM of numerator, which is 72. HCF of denominator, which is 5, right? So 72 by 5 is our answer. This is a mixed fraction. We can write 72 divide 5. So here is 1, 5. So 7 minus 5 is a 2, and again 2. So 4 times 5 is a 20. So 2. So our answer is 14, 2 by 5. This is our answer. So this video we have to finish in here. We are trying to solve 3 math based on LCM of fractions. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box, and also let me know about your preference of HCF or any kinds of fractional problem. Please share with me, and if you have any opinion of my channel, please also let me know your opinion. So thank you very much being with me. Subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.